This is Cyndy G. In this video, we're assembling the Frankenstein belly box. We have all of our pieces laid out here. We have the pieces to our box. And I'm going to start just by folding my box on all the score lines. It is in two pieces, so we'll have to put this together. I am going to start by putting my belly box together. You'll want to make sure to glue this tab to the inside of your box so that it will be covered by Frankenstein's shirt and jacket. Okay, so I'm going to start by gluing these together. There we are. Okay. So this is the inside of my box. This is the outside. This is where these three pieces will go. These go to the outside. I did ink these black pieces just to make them look a little more weathered. So there's a slight border all the way around, and you just want to eyeball that and put it right in the center. Now, if you wanted to, you could put your tabs to the outside, make your box, and then put your panel pieces on. I'm just going to put my tabs to the inside, and I'm going to leave them exposed. They blend in really well, and you'll have candy in your box, so I don't feel like they show a whole lot. Or the other option is you can cut two sets of panels. You put the outside panels on, put your tabs to the inside, and then cover them with tabs on the inside. Okay, so that's an option. Here's the jacket pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and assemble these before I put them on the box. So this V just lines up directly. And again, I inked the edges just to give it a more tattered look and give it a little more depth. And then this lines up to the bottom and the two sides. Okay. And then I'm going to stand my box up and I'm going to put this right inside. It goes right to the inside like that. Okay, so that's that much. Now let's work on the face. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this behind. And I'm going to put his hair on, but I am going to use some foam tape to add a little bit of dimension to his hair. I'm getting ink everywhere. It's all over my fingers, so I apologize. Okay. And then this is going to just line up to the top. Oops. Now his stitch for his face. You will see that it's kind of, it's not straight across right here. And it's a little bit not straight across on the other side. So just try it both ways to see which side fits best. But the deeper angle goes here, right where his hair ends. And then you're just going to glue that there and it goes edge to edge. Okay. You don't need a whole lot of glue, and you don't want to put too much glue because you don't want to smear it on his face. So I'm just going to hold this down on this side while I line this up over there. There we are. Okay. And then I'm just going to put his head in place. So he's pretty simple. Goes together pretty quickly. There we are. And now, like I said, I am going to put my tabs to the inside. At this point, if you have your panels on, you do not want to put your tabs on the outside because they'll go over your panels that you've already put on. So I just going to make sure I get one side at a time attached. Just hold it a few seconds and then go work to the other side. Okay. Okay. And there he is. There is your Frankenstein belly box. Thank you for joining me.